This video is to show you how to use the ZSK barcode scanner along with the Willcom TrueSizer. TrueSizer is a free software utility that you can download that will allow you to print barcode worksheets for your designs. First of all, you must first download the Willcom TrueSizer. Again, it is a free utility. But first we'll go to willcom.com, that's wilcom.com. We will then go to products, and you can go to TrueSizer products, or up at the top it says get free TrueSizer, and we'll click on that. Once we click on that, it will direct us to the TrueSizer page, and here we do have some different options to choose from. I am going to use TrueSizer Desktop, and we are going to use the free one. So we'll go ahead and left click on that. And in here, if you already have logged in or have created an account with Willcom, you can certainly log in right here. If you haven't, you do have to sign up for a new account. Once we sign up, you then have access to the TrueSizer program. I have already signed up, but what you will need to do is go ahead and fill out all this information and hit submit. So I will go back to the login page and actually log in. I will type in my login information. And once I am logged in, it allows me to click to download the TrueSizer for the desktop. If I click here, it will automatically prepare my download. There are some videos that you can watch, which is really nice. But it is going to automatically download to my computer. Typically, it does go into my downloads. It is a self-extracting file that will install the application. So after it is downloaded, I then want to go access that and go ahead and install. To access the file, it is in my downloads. I can also go down to the bottom here. Now I am in Google Chrome, so your internet provider, or not provider, but the way you get on the internet might be a little bit different than mine. Here I can go ahead and show the file in my folder, and once I show it, I can then double click. Once I do double click, it will go through and ask me if I'd like to install this. I do already have it installed in my system, so it might ask me for some different questions than what you would usually get when you install it. So here it's asking me if I'd like to modify, repair, or remove. I'll just go ahead and modify. Typically you would not get this this window because it would be a first installation. So I'm going to go ahead and install everything except for extra languages and go ahead and hit next. And now it will go and configure and install the Willcom TrueSizer. After it's installed, I'll go ahead and close everything out. And now I'm back to my desktop. You'll now have a TrueSizer icon, and if you double click on the TrueSizer icon, it will go ahead and start the TrueSizer software. In TrueSizer, this is where I'm able to print the worksheet with the barcode. Okay, so in Willcom TrueSizer, we are able to bring in several different files to to view, and then actually to make into a worksheet. In order to bring in a file that I would like to have barcoded, I would first go to File and then Open. I will then go to the appropriate file location to open my design. And you can see I have several different designs that I can open. The type of files that you can open, you can see all these different file formats that you can choose from. I am going to choose the DST file. With the DST, I do, again, have different ones, or a lot of different files that I see here that I can open. I'm actually going to open up something that is in a different folder. So scroll down, find that design folder, and there's my design. I'll go ahead and hit open. Now it is giving me a warning here saying that if it's not a native design file, which the native design file for Wilcom is .emb. I can bring in a .emb file, resize it, and it recalculate the stitching. But with a DST, I won't have that ability, and there will be limitations in scaling or doing any other type of editing to it. Here, all I want to do is just write this to a worksheet that allows me to have a barcode. So I'll go ahead and press OK. And when I press OK, you will see that with a DST, it will bring in different colors because a DST does not have the color palette that I had intended for my design. In order to print out the worksheet with a barcode, we will go to File and Print Preview. In Print Preview, you will see my production worksheet that I can print out. In order to change the options for that production worksheet, I will hit Options up here at the top. In Options, there is a barcode. If I left click on barcode, in order to have the correct barcode, I do need the name and extension. So this will be my actual text in barcoding. So I'll go ahead and press OK. And when I press OK, there's the barcode. You must save this design in this format with this design name or number, in this case it is a number, to the shared folder on your computer that the ZSK machine will read. When I print out this worksheet, I can then go to the controller and use the barcode scanner. And when I select the barcode or use the scanner on this barcode, it will pull up that design. So let me go ahead and close that out. I can also write to a ZSK format, but that's going to be better suited for designs that I have the EMB file for, or the correct colors. So again, I'll go to a new design and open a design, but this time I do have the EMB file. This was something that was sent out to be digitized, and they were able to provide me with the EMB file. This is the same exact design, but in the EMB format. And once I select it and hit open, you can see now I have my correct colors. In order to export it as a ZSK file or a transport code file for the machine, I will go to File and Save As. When I do the Save As, I will do the Save As type. I will choose ZSK TC. And here, you have to make sure that you do have 8 numbers. If you do not have the 8 numbers, the machine will not read it properly. So here I have 298796. That is not 8 numbers, it's only 6. So here I add the 01. You can see that right up here. I've already saved it before. And I will hit Save. Make sure this does store in your shared folder that the ZSK can access. Because when I do print out the barcode, that's where the barcode is going to pull it from. So here we will go to File and Print Preview. I will go to the options. You can see that actually I made a mistake here, I apologize. After I did save it as a new file, I need to go to Open and open that transport code file, and now print out my worksheet. If I don't have the proper name for the barcode, it won't read it. So here we'll go to Print Preview again. Here's the design name in a barcode. So when I print out this worksheet, it will work with the ZSK barcoding. So in order to use this sheet with the barcode reader on the design screen on the T8 controller, I will go to the R1, which allows me to input a design, and then at the bottom choose the option to input using the barcode scanner. Once I do that, it prepares it for it prepares the machine to accept the barcode, and then I can actually barcode this worksheet. So we'll go ahead and close that out. So you can barcode DST files or ZSK files. When you do print out the worksheet, you do need to make sure you have the proper name and design saved in that shared folder. With DST files, you can insert the design with your settings and put in your own colors. With the ZSK file, it will do the appropriate colors for your design. So now we're going to see how we take this design, bring it over to the barcode reader, and prepare the machine to read that barcoded design. In order to prepare the machine to accept the barcode, first of all, you do need to print out your worksheet. Make sure you do have your worksheet and also the barcode reader connected in the USB port behind the controller here. This typically you want that plugged in before you turn on the machine so it does recognize the barcode reader. So on the right hand side we will press R1 to insert a design, and then down at the bottom here we have the ability to choose the barcode. When we press here, it will ask me what pantograph configuration. I'll go ahead and hit continue. And then it's asking me which connection. This is the shared folder on your computer. Unfortunately, I don't have this connected to a network right now, but as soon as I choose the right network, I hit select network connection, and then the machine is ready for you to scan the barcode. Once you scan it, it will bring it right into the software, and your next screens will be similar to the ones of when you bring in a design just directly through like a USB or something. So that is the quick way to insert a design with the barcode scanner.